How to fade audio. To begin, I added a video with an audio attached to it, and I want to fade the audio. Go to Effects, Expand Audio Transitions, and under Crossfade, there's 3 effects that you can apply. Drag and drop exponential fade into the end of your audio. Now we have an audio that fades. To change fade duration, hover mouse at the start of it and drag to left or right to change its duration. For a precise duration, right-click on Fade and select Set Transition Duration. In the pop-up window, enter the duration that you want and click OK. To delete the transition, just click on it and press the Delete key in your keyboard. You can add constant fade to your audio as well. It fades constantly over time. You can add audio fades to start of your audios as well. To do that, drag the transition from Effects Control to start of your audio. And changing it is the same as before. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.